Forget OLED screens, forget e-ink. The hottest new display in tech is wood. This is MUI, and it's basically an internet-connected block of wood that acts as a smart home hub. So this is the MUI, and this is how you touch to wake. And as you can see, the interface is pretty minimalistic, and there's 5 icons on the screen that represent its different functionalities. So this one shows you the weather. And you can swipe across the screen to go to the different menus. This one shows what song is playing on your Spotify. Unfortunately, you can't really choose from your playlist on the screen like this. It's more just an interface display that you control through the app on your phone. Let's swipe again, and you can see that it connects to the smart home hub. You can control your home temperature if you have like a smart thermostat like Nest. And swipe one more time, and this one connects to any smart lighting products you might have, like the Philips Hue. You can control how bright you want your light bulbs to be. There's a slight lag. And this button here is for Google Assistant. Unfortunately, you can't use a wake word like OK Google. You have to tap the button on the screen. But you can say, "What's the weather in Las Vegas?" And it'll display its response on the screen a little bit slowly, so let's give it some time. So the designers intentionally left pretty much half the block blank, and that was a purposeful decision for the sake of minimalism. And it looks pretty good, but sometimes it does cut off the responses there. So what I like about the MUI is that although it basically does the same thing as an Amazon Echo Show or Google Home Hub, where it's basically a display for your smart home hub, this is a block of wood. It's an internet-connected block of wood, and it's unique. And instead of just being a device in your home, it's actually a part of your home as furniture. And I can really see them selling this at IKEA or a lot of like design home goods stores. And it's really just a beautiful block of wood. So the MUI just finished a successful Kickstarter project, and it's launching next week on Indiegogo in demand for $549. If you want more videos like this, check out The Verge.